Hi, this is Matt with DreamSimplicity.com. I'm here in San Francisco at Sales and Marketing 2.0, and I'm here with Gary Abrosino from TimeTrade. How are you doing?
How are you?
Great. So can you tell us? Yeah, absolutely. Can you tell us a little bit about TimeTrade and what you guys do?
Yeah, we do online appointment scheduling for sales, service, and marketing organizations. And we're part of the selling process. We shorten the sales funnel by creating, instead of creating leads that come off of forms on websites, we create immediate appointments with customers that go directly into a sales rep's calendar. And I can tell you, the sales reps love that.
I bet. I used to be a sales rep myself. It seems that you guys are reducing the number of emails back and forth. I no longer have to say, here's a time that works for me. Does that work for you? It's here's a link and pick a time that works best.
Yeah, you know, this is the biggest feature. Sales reps spend between 20 and 40% of their time in administrative tasks and also chasing around leads. And you know the process, you get a lead off the website now. You first have to start chasing them around, calling them, trying to get a time set up to talk. And if you use Outlook, which is a standard tool, or you use Salesforce, which is a standard tool, there's a lot of back and forth involved in that, and that wastes a lot of time, and it takes away from selling. So instead of talking to the customer, you're spending time chasing them around to get an appointment with them. And we eliminate that by allowing what we call one-step appointment scheduling, where you can send out the offer of time to meet that spans across many, many time slots in your calendar, and the customers can click on a link and make an immediately confirmed appointment with you, and the reps don't have to be part of that process at all. It happens automatically in the cloud.
Excellent. And we use, at DreamSimplicity, we use Google Mail and we use Salesforce, and this integrates right into those tools, right?
It does, as a matter of fact, yes. A lot of people, if they're using Salesforce, a rep will stay in Salesforce as their primary application. So from within Salesforce, we can send out appointment offers for one person or a long list of people. And as they're accepted, they'll be automatically synchronized with the Salesforce work queue and also with the Google Calendar. So it all happens in the cloud. You don't have to get involved, and then the magic is you'll leave on Friday night and come in on Monday morning, your calendar will be filled up for the week with sales calls.
Sounds so easy. Appointment Router, what is that all about? It seems like a pretty cool feature.
So the Appointment Router is a brand new feature we just added to TimeTrade Workgroup Edition. And what it does is it allows you to put a button on your website, and the button can say something like, click here to schedule a 15-minute call with a sales rep. And the Appointment Router, when that button is pushed, asks the prospect a few simple questions: where they're from, what size company, what product line they're interested in, and based on that information, it routes the appointment right into the calendar of the sales rep that's covering that region. It's a really cool idea. It's very unique. It's a brand new concept, but it really allows a marketing organization to do something on the website that delivers direct results to the sales organization.
Absolutely. So we're here at Sales 2.0. I'm talking to a lot of folks about social media and video and how companies are leveraging that internally to drive more business. How are you guys doing that?
Well, we use video quite a bit in several different ways. One of the ways we use it, which is new for us, is we embed it in a product, and we use it to teach people how to use the product. But a really effective other use of video that we really like is we're using it in outreach to customers. So we'll put product presentations in it. We use some interactive technology to make the video itself interactive in terms of selecting the topics, but also we can offer appointment links right in the video back to the appointment scheduling or the appointment router. And we find that a lot of folks we send those videos to do two things. They react to the video by scheduling an appointment with us, and we get a lead, and we get a confirmed lead. And they also pass it around inside their company. We watch video statistics, and we see, while we send a video to one person, we see 14 or 15 people inside the company view the video. So we know we're getting our message across into the customer. We really love that.
That's interesting. Well, this is a great event. There's a lot of energy here. How is partnering with Sales 2.0 benefit TimeTrade?
You know, the biggest benefit for us coming here is this is exactly the target audience that our product speaks to, because in effect what we do is we shorten the sales funnel, and there's not a person at this conference that's not interested in shortening the amount of time it takes to get a deal and taking the cost out of the selling process, and that's music to everyone's ears. So for us, in the type of audience we're talking to and selling to, this is really perfect for us as an audience. And the second thing is that we really are able to collect a lot of information here about things we should be thinking about, ways we should be positioning our company, and also even features we should be thinking about for our products. So we get a lot of value out of being here.
Great. Well, thank you so much for your time, Gary.
It's good talking to you. Thanks.